Ash was a young boy with a bad temper. His father once gave him a bag of nails and told him to hammer a nail into the back of the fence every time he lost his temper. Ash had driven 37 nails into the fence on the first day. The number of nails pounded every day gradually decreased over the next few weeks as he learned to control his anger. He learned that holding his temper was easier than driving those nails into the fence. Finally, there came a day when Ash did not lose his temper at all. He told his father about it, and the father proposed that Ash pick out one nail for every day he was able to control his temper. After a few days, Ash was finally able to tell his father that all of the nails were gone. The father took Ash by the hand and walked him to the fence. "You have done well, my son," he continued, "but look at the holes in the fence. The fence will never be the same. When you say things in anger, they leave a scar like this one. You can put a knife in a person and draw it out. It doesn't matter how many times you say I'm sorry. The wound is still there. A verbal wound is as bad as a physical one.